I think there are many unique attributes of the online MBA program, but what truly sets it apart is the fact that it is offered by a school that is known for very applied, on-the-ground public service work that we do throughout Appalachian Ohio, the rest of the state, and now even across state borders in multiple sectors. So what you're getting, I would say, is real experiential learning that is distilled into your class lectures and your assignments and group work. And I think this is what truly sets the online MBA apart from any other program. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're always upskilling. I say be more active, be in fact proactive, and then look at where the world is headed and try to be one of the first ones in line to innovate and adapt. Because if you can do that, chances are you're going to be doing remarkably well, right? And of course, we'll be proud of it.